What's up guys, Levi here. Bit of a different video today. I don't know if you've noticed, but on Instagram, when watching people's stories, and I think I've narrowed it down to what does this, but it's this really annoying sound that occurs when someone starts recording. Now it only happens when someone is recording on it seems to be an iPhone, and it's when they're recording and then posting direct to their stories. They're not like, posting a photo that they've already taken or a video that they've already taken. So yeah, just watch this and so basically I'm here on someone's channel and I'm just gonna turn it up a bit. Just turn the volume on max. Someone who I noticed makes the sound a lot when they post. And here it is here. You can hear every time a new story starts, there's this weird clicking noise. See, they posted a photo and there's no weird noise. No weird noise. Sounds off. Isn't that annoying? I don't know, that's just me. So, let me know if you've had the same issue. If it's annoying. Annoying sound. Instagram, why? Why? All right. Rant over. Thanks for watching. See you guys next Friday.